Dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, it was just a short notice. Sir has told me to give you a small overview of what we have done and what we are doing in Rajasthan. The project is called Arogya Online. It started in 2007 when the biggest hospital in Western India, you can say, Rajasthan, bordering MP, some districts of UP and North Gujarat. It covers around, you can just see the volume, 8,000 patients daily OPD were coming to the hospital. So we were interested, RISL as well as DOIT were interested with the work of computerizing the complete entire hospital. So that is out functioning, that is OPD, starting from OPD, IPD services, investigations. The central lab, the investigation reports was in shambles. Daily newspaper reports used to come that the reports were not delivered on time and also. So we signed an MOU, tripartite MOU with CDAC, because CDAC had e-Shushrut application which suited to our needs, and then in consultation with Department of IT and SMS Hospital, we started implementing phase-wise. That is, first we started with OPD, that is generating of CR numbers, then we touched up bed management, IPD, investigations and all. There were 2-3 things which came out of the solution. First thing was that we were able to control the crowd, what you say, crowd management, the patient management. So the line got shorter, the waiting time of the patients reduced, and everything from OPD to investigation reports to their bed management, even blood bank. We covered even the blood bank. So the system was a single database controlled system having Oracle as its backend, and till date we have covered around 40 lakh patients. That it started from 1st of April 2009, actual implementation started, and till date we have covered 40 lakh patients, and around 83 lakhs investigations have been done through this system. The uniqueness of the system is that investigation reports are available online. On the medical education websites, it is available online. And even the blood reports, the availability of blood bags, the blood groups, kaun sa kiska available hai, that is available online. So these are some of the things. One more thing is that we started biometric donor registration to control the professional donors, and also typing mistakes, to reduce the typing mistakes. We started barcoding these, the blood bags. So everything was IT driven, and due to these initiatives, the hospital and the patients, the staff, everything got benefited. Certain 2-3 more initiatives were taken. First one was Mukhyamantri Nishulk Dawa Yojana. That is unique in Rajasthan. That we also, the drug distribution from pharmacy, from drug warehouses to the hospitals, hospitals to the patients, everything was monitored through an online system. And that is called e-Aushadhi. That is running for the last 2 years, and we have started now receipt system also. Then 2-3 things more. One is e-library. We are covering, under this Arogya Online, we are covering e-libraries, that is going to the staff, that is the medical students who don't have access to the classes. They can see their lectures online. And other one is e-classroom, that is virtual classrooms, and we are organizing it through virtual VCs. And I think that is the what I have to say, and more things are being taken up. We are replicating this SMS model to other districts also. At present 13 district hospitals are running this application, and we are covering all the 6 medical colleges as well as more district hospitals up to PHC, CHC level.